Hello and welcome to the Web123 software tutorial. My name is Daniel, and in the following set of videos I'm going to be running you through some of the basics of the Web123 software. Now in this video I'm going to be running you through how to build content and add it onto a page, as well as edit it once it's there. Now before we get started, I'll quickly explain how a Web123 site works. It relies on two separate but equally important types of thing. Now these are what we call pages and items. Pages, they work like a container. Their main function is to display items. Now they will simply just stack these items one on top of the other in the center of your page. Items themselves, these are the actual content on your website. So these are going to be all of your text, pictures, videos, anything that you put into the site, it's going to be an item, and it's going to sit on a page. So first things first, let's build a new item. So what I'm going to do is I'll pop into the FAQs page. This is going to be a good one to use because the page body space, it's actually blank, there's nothing here. So to create an item, you do this through the create menu up here in the Web123 toolbar. If you have a look at what's in here, there's all different types of content, like text items, categories, Google Maps, photo galleries. What we'll do is for this example, I'll go for one of the easier ones, and we'll go for a text item. So I'll click on add a text item. The first thing that it asks me for is what do you want to call it? So I'll just put in a quick testing option in here, and just some testing 123 text down here, and I'll save this one away. Now if I pop back onto the FAQs page, notice that nothing has changed. The reason for this is that creating an item and sticking that onto a page are two completely separate things. So we're pretty much halfway there. We've built the item. The next step is to actually stick this item onto this page. So to do that, you need to edit the page itself. And this is using the appropriately named Edit This Page button up here in the top left hand corner. If you click directly on this one, it'll allow you to edit the page itself, and what you're looking for is this big green box here in the center of the screen, the Add to Page box. Again, this is how you add an item to a page. So if you have a look at what's in here, the first thing it's asking you for is do you want to add in content or a form? Now the first thing it's asked you for is do you want to add in content or a form? Now 99% of the time you're going to be going for content. Again, content, this is going to be all of your pictures, videos, text, all that sort of stuff. It's all content. A form is something that people actually have to type information into and press a submit button in order for it to do anything. For example, most contact us pages would have a contact form on it. Really rare you need to move these around on the website, so pretty much just go for content all the time. Underneath content, you've got a drop down menu here, and this is asking you what type of content do you want to put onto the page. If you have a look at what's in here, the list of items in here matches what we have in the create menu. So there's text up the top, there's news underneath that, and so on. The type of content we want to add in today, it's the text item type. So that one's fine. If you have a look in this drop down menu, now this will give you a list of every existing piece of text on the website. If you have a look through all of these options, there's my testing one that I built before. So if I select that one and then hit add, now you can see there's my text. So whenever you change details on a page, just make sure you save it. You can press that button save down there, and let's have a look at what we've done. So there's the text itself. Now once you've added a piece of text to a page, you can edit it directly from the page. The way you do that is through the edit icon that will be situated here on the right hand side. When you hold your mouse over it, you notice that that highlight color appears. This is just showing you what you're about to change. I'll pop into edit here, and I'll add in some more text, and again just save this one away, and you can see that the text will update on the page straight away. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's how to build an item and to stick it onto a page. Now there is a few extra ways that you can build items as well. If you go into edit this page while looking at a page, you'll notice that we have the option here of creating a new piece of text with the create button here. This performs the exact same function as the create menu. So what I'll do is I'll build a new text item here too. Putting in some more testing information, and save that one away, and you can add it to the page directly from here as well. So it's a little bit of a shortcut you can use rather than going through the full process of the create menu as well. It does the exact same thing. Now you'll notice that on the page I've got two separate items. You can actually flip the order of these items around on the fly as well. So say for example I wanted to have test number 2 at the top of the page and testing sitting further down. Very easy. All you need to do is edit the page itself again, and that's what this icon on the left hand side of each of these blocks of text is for. You can see that here's the text we put in earlier, and you notice that these icons, when I hold my mouse over it, it changes into the move icon, And all you need to do is just simply click and drag on these icons, and you can reorder content on the website. Just save the page once it's done, and we can have a look at what it looks like now, and there we go. The text is now flipped around. So that's really the basics of it. That's how to build content, stick it onto a page, edit it once it's there, as well as move it around on the page. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you where you can add content to different sections of the website that isn't in the main section of the body, such as in these sidebars over here. Thanks very much for watching.